Welcome back to WealthyWay Starter. Today I'm sharing 5 super easy side hustles you can start right now, even if you have zero experience. Let's get straight into it. The first one is micro freelancing. These are small, simple online tasks like basic data entry, simple research, writing short descriptions. Social media assistance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour are perfect for beginners. You don't need experience, just consistency. Number 2 is digital products. You can create super simple items like planners, checklists, budgeting sheets, or templates and sell them on Etsy. The best part? You make it once, and it can sell again and again. Great passive income. Number 3 is easy money for beginners, surveys, and cashback apps. You can earn rewards or small cash from apps like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, Rakuten, and more. It won't make you rich, but it's great for extra weekly income. Number 4 is reselling unused items. Just take things you don't use anymore and sell them on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Vinted. It's the easiest way to make quick cash with zero investment. And finally, content writing, using AI tools. You don't need to be a professional writer. AI can help you create blogs, product descriptions, and social media posts. This skill is in high demand and perfect for beginners. If you want more simple and real side hustle ideas, make sure to subscribe to WealthyWay Starter. I'm dropping weekly videos to help beginners earn smarter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.